I used to fall a lot, and now I don't, thanks to OsteoStrong. When you fall, it hurts. And I had a bad knee at the time. I needed a knee replacement. I kept falling on my knees, and then I can't get up. So I started coming here because of my knees, mainly of my knees. The whole experience has been awesome. It's very easy to do. I didn't want to do something that was exercise because my knee was in pain so bad. And so just doing this one thing on each machine really helped, and I could find that I could do it, and I didn't think I could. I'm very proud of her. I think she's doing an excellent job. I get all kinds of good reports from my customers too, that they come here also, so it's really awesome. So I got my knee replaced in last August and had to take 3 months off here. And so I've started back, but I'm almost back to what I was before. And I believe it's helped a lot, and I want to keep going. 5 to 10 years from now, I'd like to keep coming, get stronger and stronger with no falling, and keep coming. Getting older does not mean getting weaker. Stay strong with OsteoStrong.